Chris, come here.
Yeah.
Go in the front of the room. Pretend like you're proposing to like your wife.
What?
Pretend you're proposing to your wife and she's facing over there. Like she's over there. No, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh god.
Why?
Okay. Not waffle.
You have to fix your
A straighter back would be better. No, you're good. But she's
Well,
facing
to the right.
Yeah, go. Straight on.
Now what?
Not bad. Good form. A good form. Matt, come on. Gotta make sure you guys do this right one day.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait, Matt, again.
That's all I got. I hope it was good.
The death dropped. Oh, perfect form.
Wow.
I do.
You're
Hello.
about to start a 500.